Hey guys, welcome to Home Sweet Homeschool. Today I want to talk about homeschool planning. If you didn't know, I have a Teachers Pay Teacher store and it's called Home Sweet Homeschool, just like this YouTube channel. And on here you're going to find some things I created. Now some of the things I created for my classroom, like math centers, and you can totally use those in homeschool. But I want to talk about the planning bundle that I have on my Teachers Pay Teacher store. So it's called Planning Your Year and it's going to include a lot of different things. Of course, the bundle is going to be the best option. You're going to get everything you need in that bundle. You're going to get monthly calendars. You're going to get a year at a glance, attendance trackers, curriculum trackers, all kinds of planning pages. And you only have to pay $7. The great thing about it is all of this is undated. So once you purchase it one time, you have it for the rest of your life. You will never have to buy anything else unless you want to. You can use this. You can print as much or as little of it as you would like to. If you do not want the bundle, but you like other portions of the planning your year set, you can buy them all individually, but again, the bundle is going to be the best option. Now I'm going to link in the description box below what these sheets look like. I actually did a walkthrough of what this planner set looks like. Of course, it's going to have dates on it, but all these have been updated to not include any dates. So you can go back and watch the video to really see what the planner looks like, but know that all the dates have been taken out so that you can use this whenever you like. I'll also put a link to my Teachers Pay Teacher store so you can go and check it out and see if there's anything else there that you would like to purchase. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or you have any requests of things you would like for me to make, I can definitely look into that. Thank you so much for watching.